Good morning, everyone. I just landed in Pisa, Italy, and I'm right outside the airport. Pisa International Airport is actually really close to the city center, which makes it super easy to start exploring almost immediately. It is early, the city is still waking up, and I'm excited to just walk and see where the morning takes me. Pisa is a relatively small city, and that is something I really like. Most places are reachable on foot, so you get to experience the city slowly. You notice the architecture, the quiet streets, and that relaxing Italian pace of life. This is Ponte della Vittoria, one of the bridges crossing the Arno River. The Arno is one of the most important rivers in Italy and flows through cities like Florence and Pisa before reaching the sea. Standing here, you can really feel how the river connects different parts of the city, both historical and today. I'm now walking around the Giardino Scotto area. This used to be part of Pisa's old defensive walls, and today it is a green public place where locals come to relax. I really enjoy places like this when traveling because it shows a more authentic side of the city. It is calm, local, and not focused on tourism. Just everyday life happening around you. Seeing kids play here reminds me that cities like Pisa are not just history places. They are living in cities. Simple moments like this make traveling feel more real and meaningful. Pisa is obviously famous for the leaning tower, but there's so much more if you slow down and explore. This morning has been about walking, observing, and appreciating the quiet side of the city. If you ever visit Pisa, I really recommend taking time to see beyond the main attractions. Thanks for joining me. More travel coming soon.